Apparently, MrBeast is starting a bank, and the internet being the internet, instantly started making memes about it. So let's dig a bit deeper and find out what this is all about. First up, the facts. In October of 2025, MrBeast's company, Beast Holdings LLC, filed a trademark application for the name MrBeast Financial, covering a bunch of services: banking, credit cards, crypto exchange, mobile finance services, lending, you name it. So basically, MrBeast wants to start his own bank. But here's the catch. This is an intent to use filing, meaning there's a plan, but nothing has been created yet, as the trademark status is still at application awaiting examination. So yes, the filing is real, but there's no actual MrBeast bank yet. Once the internet found out about this, the memes started flooding in almost instantly. MrBeast is known for giving out money. The idea of him being a bank is like the exact opposite. If you take out a loan, the bank gives you money up front, but in the long run, you end up paying the bank a lot more money in the form of interest payments. And the internet had a field day with this irony. One meme made a parody on MrBeast thumbnails with the caption, "Foreclosing on my delinquent debtors." Another joked about having to explain to your wife and 3 kids that MrBeast is taking away your house because you didn't pay your mortgage in time, and the only way you can get it back is by winning Beast Games 3 on Amazon Prime. So what exactly is MrBeast Financial? According to the trademark filing, MrBeast Financial spans into 3 main categories. First, there's the software side, a mobile application for banking, investments, crypto exchanges, microloans, insurance, financial planning, and even financial literacy education. Then there are actual financial services: online banking, credit and debit cards, microfinancing, crypto payments, investment managing, and data analytics. And finally, there's the infrastructure layer, a software as a service platform that could power not just consumer apps, but also business-to-business services as well. This probably sounds like a lot of complicated jargon, but basically this isn't a simple banking app. It's a banking platform that could redefine what banking in 2025 means, with MrBeast targeting Gen Z and millennials who are often underserved by traditional banks. And where it gets really interesting is that this move doesn't come out of nowhere. MrBeast has been systematically building what can only be described as a business empire. His company, Beast Industries, reported $473 million in revenue in 2024, with projections to nearly double to $899 million in 2025. That's almost a billion-dollar revenue company right there. So let's take a look at what MrBeast has already built. He launched MrBeast Burger back in 2020, which expanded to over 1,000 locations and generated over $150 million in revenue in mid-2022, though that venture hit some legal turbulence with quality issues. Then there's Feastables, his chocolate brand. This is one massive product. It generated $250 million in sales last year with $20 million in profit, which is actually more profitable than his entire YouTube operation, which lost $80 million despite bringing in nearly $250 million in revenue. Now you might think, how does MrBeast lose money with his YouTube channel? And well, that's actually by design. MrBeast has always said he'd reinvest everything back into his YouTube videos to make them bigger and better. He's spending millions on productions like Beast Games, his Amazon Prime reality show, with thousands of contestants and a $10 million grand prize. He also launched Lunchly with Logan Paul and KSI, which generated $5 million in sales in just its first 11 weeks, and MrBeast Lab, a toy line, that raked in over $65 million within just 6 months' time. And get this, he's also planning to launch a mobile phone service in 2026, using the same strategy as Ryan Reynolds did with Mint Mobile. So MrBeast is more than just a YouTube channel, he's a brand. He's got food, phone services, shows, and now possibly banking. So why would MrBeast even want to get into banking? Well, there are a few strategic reasons. First, his audience is perfect for this. At the time of recording, MrBeast has nearly 450 million subscribers on YouTube, most of which are Gen Alpha, Gen Z, and Millennials, who are already comfortable with digital banking and are looking for alternatives to traditional banks, which kinda suck for young people. High fees, confusing terms, and they are definitely not on your side. MrBeast's bank could gamify finance. Imagine earning Beast points for saving money, unlocking exclusive challenges for hitting investment goals, or getting cashbacks on Feastable bars. There's also the trust factor. As an industry expert put it, MrBeast is essentially his own platform. He has tens of millions of people who are thrilled to support his ventures, When most brands need advertising and platforms to reach people, MrBeast is the platform. His fans already trust him because they've watched him give away millions of dollars over the years. And the crypto integration is particularly interesting. With MrBeast's history of high-stakes giveaways, you could imagine features like win $1 million in Beast Bucks, tied directly to a wallet in the app. But it's not all sunshine and giveaways. There are some real concerns here. Lee McKnight, an associate professor, said, whether it's a good idea for people to be influenced in their choices of financial services by social media influencers, I personally would think not. And he has a point. Financial services are heavily regulated for a good reason. People's life savings are at stake. Crypto volatility, loan defaults, and data privacy could all become major issues. There's also the question whether this is a sign of something bigger. People online started sharing memes suggesting that when YouTubers start launching banks, it might be a sign of an economic bubble or even a recession indicator. It's the modern equivalent of the shoeshine boy giving stock tips, moments before the 1929 crash. But let's zoom out for a second. What MrBeast is doing is part of a larger trend. Creators are becoming legitimate business empires. According to his own statements, MrBeast is a billionaire, on paper, though he claims that he has less than $1 million in his bank account. At just 27 years old, MrBeast became the youngest self-made billionaire, joining the likes of Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg. And he did this by completely redefining what a content creator can be. The traditional path was get famous, do sponsorships, maybe launch some merch. MrBeast said, nah. And instead, he built businesses across multiple industries: food, entertainment, toys, technology, and now finance. So what does MrBeast Financial actually mean for the future? Well, if it launches and succeeds, it could fundamentally change how young people interact with money. Imagine your bank account being gamified, where saving money feels like playing a video game, where you could potentially win prizes for good financial behavior. Some fintech experts are optimistic, but there are also legitimate concerns about mixing entertainment and financial services. Banking is a serious business. People need stability, security, and trust. Can MrBeast provide that while also staying true to his brand and over-the-top entertainment? MrBeast will likely need to partner with an established financial institution to actually offer banking services. He would need FDIC insurance for deposits, compliance with banking regulations, and a robust security system. So starting a bank is not just something you can do on a Sunday. MrBeast employs over 250 people and has built a legitimate business empire that spans multiple industries. So he's not just a YouTuber anymore. The memes are hilarious. The concerns are valid. But the possibilities of a MrBeast bank are endless. The question is now, will we all be using MrBeast Bank in 5 years? Maybe. But it does not mean that you will get free money out of nowhere. But one thing's for sure, the traditional financial industry better be paying attention, because if MrBeast Financial launches and it resonates with his massive audience, it could disrupt banking in ways we haven't seen since the rise of digital-only banks.